Hello traders, hope you're all doing fine. Okay, so I'm back with the 4 more stocks for the intraday, and it's for the tomorrow's intraday session. So let's get the video started. Okay, so I have the first stock as a NOSIL. Let me go to the full feature chart. Okay, I have already marked the levels for you. So I'll explain what is the thing happening in this and what we can expect with this stock. Okay, so as you can see here, the stock is at this level, and the logic behind taking the trade is if it broke this trend line, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, so you'll be getting the targets of 234 till here. So that is somewhere around 2 or 3%. And this is a very important zone. This is very important support for this stock. If this gets broken, then you can go ahead and short, and you can expect targets of somewhere around 2% on the downside. So these are the first stock and the levels. So take a trade only on these levels, and this is a no trading zone for you from 225 to 227. It's a no trading zone. So you have to see that the candle should break this resistance or this support line, then only we are going to take a trade. However, today we have seen there is a good rally or a good trend in chemical stocks. So this is NOSIL belongs to the chemical sector. So there will be a good momentum in this. Okay, the next stock is Shilpa Medicare. And so this stock you can go as a swing trade as well. I'll explain you the reason. Let me go to 2-hour timely chart here. So if you see here, it's kind of forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and this gave a breakout at the end of the day. So tomorrow, for intraday people, if it crosses 557 level, we are going to buy, and the targets will be 578. And if this trend line gets broken, we'll be going ahead and shorting this at 550, and you can expect a targets of 537 rupees. And for swing trading people, so your targets will be somewhere around 619 to 620. See, this is a inverted head and shoulder. So how we will be taking the targets here is simple. So we'll take the depth of this head. So whatever the depth of the head is there, so we'll mark it as a target here. So as per this, targets are coming for 624 or 621. So this stock you should be holding it for minimum of 7 to 10 days, so that you'll be seeing the 11% move. So from here it is 11%. See, it's 11%. So this can give a good rally in the coming few trading sessions. The next stock is NRB Bearings. Okay, so as a first stock, these two lines are no trading zone for you. That is 145 and 146.55. So this price levels are no trading zone for you. Tomorrow, what you have to see is if it breaks 146 resistance line, then you can go ahead and buy. Targets will be somewhere around 3%. And if this breaks this support line, you can go ahead and short, and you will be getting targets of 141. So this is the 2% target you can take. Okay, and we see this. This is the auto ancillary stock. So today, auto ancillary and auto stocks gave a good momentum. So tomorrow we can expect this as a upside move. So trade as per the plan. Okay, the last stock is Suprajit Engineering. Okay, so this is a slightly bearish stock. If I see, since you see here, wait a moment, I'll mark the levels, next levels for this. This is a swing trade. If you want to take a swing trade, you can go ahead on this. So how much will be getting? So somewhere around 10 to 12% downside move. Okay, the reason why I'm having a look at it for the 2-hour time frame is simple. This is a kind of forming a bearish flag pattern. If you see, this is a pole, and this is a kind of a flag. So if tomorrow, if this 1 second, okay, if this trend line which is acting as a resistance, if this crosses 285 levels, we're gonna buy, and you can expect a target of minimum 296 for intraday. Okay, but the view in this stock is bearish, as this is a forming a bearish flag pattern. So if you are intraday trader, once this support line, which is at 283, if this gets broken, you can go ahead and short, and you will be getting a targets of somewhere around 3 to 4%. But make sure that you will be booking your half of the profits or 75% of the profits at 1.5 or 2%. Okay, so after that, after booking a 2%, so remaining amount you can see the price action and you can trade. Okay, so the view on this stock is bearish, since it's forming a bearish flag pattern. So you can go ahead and sell this, and for buying, just keep a level, keep an eye. If this crosses somewhere around 286 or 285, you just go long in this. Okay, since as you can see here, as you can see, stochastic RSI is showing kind of a oversold territory. So what will happen? This will go up, so that the stock prices can also go up. So depend on this, you can take a trade. And here MACD is clearly indicating a downside movement. So most of the view on the stock is bearish. Okay, I hope you have liked my analysis, and if you have not seen yesterday's video, we can see maximum stocks which we suggested are in profits or reached the targets. So we try to give you good content, knowledgeable content, so that you can gain some knowledge and you trade on yourself. You identify the patterns and learn, and next you can trade on yourself. not depending on the others. So I hope you like this analysis. Please like this video, share with your friends, and help us grow. Let's learn and earn together. I wish you all the best for the tomorrow's trading session, and thank you so much.